Hello students, the nature of different types of variables is the base on which our data and all the statistical operations depend upon. The variables or data in a broader sense are classified on one of the four scales of measurements: nominal, ordinal, interval or ratio. Types of variables and scales of measurements are our today's task. After watching this video lecture, you will be able to explain following questions. What is the concept of a variable? How to define and differentiate qualitative and quantitative variables? How to differentiate discrete and continuous variables? What are the scales of measurements and for what purpose are they used? Let us start the proceedings. Variable: any characteristic that varies from individual to individual in population is called a variable. For example, height, weight, and age of students in a college differ from one another are variables. Variables are classified into two broad categories: qualitative variables and quantitative variables. Quantitative variables are further divided into discrete and continuous variables. Quantitative variables are expressed on interval and ratio scales, whereas qualitative variables are expressed on nominal and ordinal scales. Now, what are qualitative variables? Qualitative variable, also called attribute or categorical variable, is any characteristic that cannot be measured numerically, but its presence or absence can be described. For example, color of cars, blood type, religion, etc. Qualitative variables are expressed on nominal and ordinal scales. Nominal scale: it is a scale used to express mutually exclusive categories such as marital status, literacy status, etc. This scale only names the categories. Ordinal scales: it is a scale used to express mutually exclusive categories which have been ranked or ordered in some way or other. For example, students are classified as excellent, good, fair, and poor. Let's proceed towards the quantitative variable. Quantitative variable: any characteristic that can be measured numerically. For example, height, age, weight, number of chairs in different rooms of college, all are examples of quantitative variable. Quantitative variables are classified into two categories: discrete variables and continuous variables. Discrete variable: a variable the magnitude of which can be obtained by counting process. For example, family size in a locality. Remember, discrete variable deals with countable items. Continuous variable: a variable the magnitude of which can be obtained by measurement. For example, height, weight, age of students in a college, which are all measurements. Quantitative variables are measured on interval and ratio scales. Interval scale is a scale which possesses a constant interval size but not a true 0 point. For example, temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius scale, both of which possess a proportionate interval size, but 0 degrees Celsius does not mean there is no temperature. Similarly, weight is also measured on interval scale. Ratio scale: a scale which possesses both constant interval size and a true 0 point. For example, temperature in Kelvin scale. Moreover, distance, money, height are also measured on ratio scale. So that's it for now, students. If you find this video lecture informative, do subscribe my channel Statistics Made Easy One, like the video and share it with your fellow students as well. Take good care of you. Thank you.